Let's draw a mushroom. First, draw a big smile. Black. Now draw its cap. Sweet! Draw its stem. Also, don't forget to draw the grass around your mushroom. How delightful! You have made an excellent mushroom. Wow! How marvelously it grows! What?